The Orotig Prometheus is a compact automatic tabletop casting machine designed for precious metals like gold, silver and platinum. It uses a horizontal casting system and advanced automation to deliver consistent, high-quality castings. This machine uses induction heating to melt metal. Then the machine automatically tilts and pours the molten metal directly into the flask. This reduces heat loss and metal turbulence for better results. Well designed for professional jewellery makers, it's very user-friendly. A one-button automatic casting cycle and touchscreen makes it accessible even for first-time operators. It's ideal for casting jewellery components and other small metal objects in gold, silver and platinum, helping you go from model to finished metal form. The machine is fully automatic. Tilting, flask locking and pouring all happen with one button. It has a patented horizontal crucible system, minimising temperature loss and turbulence. There are vacuum and overpressure controls for complete flask filling and smooth surfaces. No compressed air is needed and it runs efficiently on argon gas. The Orotig Prometheus machine can cast precious metals such as gold, silver and platinum. The machine supports a reasonable range of flask sizes. It can even cast detailed or small pieces with smooth surfaces and minimal porosity, thanks to its automated controls. The machine features a 7-inch touchscreen interface with preset programs for different metals and the ability to store up to 50 custom profiles, making setup and repeat casting easy. When unboxing, you'll find the Prometheus Orotig unit, a touchscreen control panel, a power connection and basic accessories, plus the safety and setup guides. The initial setup involves placing the machine on a stable surface, connecting power and argon gas, then walking through the touchscreen setup prompts. No compressed air is needed, the machine uses argon gas and has an integrated cooling system. The machine is engineered to have low maintenance with minimal consumables, making it suitable for busy workshops. You can expect high quality, smooth castings with reduced porosity. The Orotig Prometheus automatic casting machine delivers a powerful performance in a compact footprint, combining automation, accuracy and repeatable results. If you would like to see it in action, book a demonstration today and experience just how easily it can elevate your casting workflow.